Today I'm going to show you some essential stuff you may need with your Einhell chainsaw. First of all, you should never run out of oil. This one is a must. You should always use oil for the chain to cut. Then we have a file kit. If we remember, we had a 4mm file. Well, this is good, but it's a bit under. You can still use it. Also, the right compatible size of the file is not 4.5, not even 4, it's 4.3 for this. No site will tell you that. Also, we have a compatible chain, but from Bosch. So let's see the right specs here. So we have the 45 centimeters bar length, also the 52 drive link, 1.1 millimeters drive link thickness. So this is pretty much the specs. I'm going to show you the chain inside to see if it matches the original Oregon one of the Einhell. By the way, the Bosch one is half the price of the original one. So you can buy two of these with the price of one of that. Really, it's a lot more light than the original one. It's also a bit of a mess here, as you see. We're going to figure out this later. I just want to see, to show you if it's the right. Okay, so it looks pretty similar. This one is a bit black. Also, maybe that this one, the paint go off when you cut it with it. So I say it's pretty much okay. It's still an Oregon chain. Show you closer. Let's see now the file. So I showed you the 4mm one. So this is from Yato. I don't know, it's maybe Japanese or Chinese. First, let's turn the box around to open it. As I said, this is a kit, so it includes all of this stuff, not just the sharpening file. Also, it comes in this cool bag, as you see here. This comes in handy if you are going to move around. So let's see this out. So the file comes on this device. Some people use this. Goes here with the right angle if you have the file, and you just push it horizontal. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, so we also got this. So every time you going to sharp a cutter, you would also need to adjust these little pins here. So this comes like that, I think, and you see, should not go over it, I think. So for that we are going to use the big file we have here. See, So this will go on this pin to adjust it. Let's see now the file. So this is the 4.5 millimeters, and this one is the 4. As I shown you, the 4 should also work. I'm doing this with my left hand, so it's not very easy for me. As you see, it goes a bit down if you push on it, but you also need to press it against the cutter. So you press it like here. So this should work okay if you know how to sharpen a chain. So let's the 4.5 millimeters one. As you see, this one fits just perfect. So a lot better than the 4 millimeters one. So if you go now, let me see if I can do it with one hand. Also, the angle should be here. I don't know if we can spot it. Maybe I'll show you the other one. Everyone knows the angle, it's right in there. It's shown. So you just keep firm. As you see, it's not very easy for me to use it with one hand. Also, this should be used when the cutter will be larger. So for now we can simply use the 4 millimeter one without problems. See, it's a lot easier to use the 4 millimeters one. As I told you, the right recommended size it's 4.3, not 4.5, not 4, 4.3. Einhell didn't told us because they wanted us to use their electric one. You know, the electric one with battery that has a disc and comes in this position here. So that should be the compatible one, the 4.5. However, these are okay. Looks pretty good. Okay, so this is a bit hard for me to show you, but you put it there and you see. You just go with the file over this if you want. So with this file, you go over this like that. So this is pretty much it. Also, the chain, you should not sharpen it from the first time. This comes pretty sharp. I kind of cut 1 year with this without problems. But you should always have a file to help you sharpen your chain. Hope you enjoyed our video. Also, you can leave us questions in the comments if you have any, or even subscribe or give us a like if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.